Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is October 2020. Okay. And the question variant is 11. The question number is 12. And topic is a differentiation integration. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. First question, he said that we have two things. You can see the curve and the line, they intersecting each other. And curve equation is given here and line given is here. So when they intersect each other, even he mentions here, so they intersect, okay? So we need to find out the point of intersection B and C. So first of all, I can solve it. Y equal like part A, y equals to y. So 3 minus x is equal to 4x to power half minus 2x. So I bring both values on left hand side. So rearrangement, I got x positive, negative 4x to power half, and plus 3 equals to 0. You know that what is criteria, basic criteria, power is here 5, and here power is 10, e plus 3 equals to 0. This power always double power. So when we have a double power, we assume the half power equal to k, like x to power 5 equal to k. Squaring both sides, I get squaring left side, I got 5 2s are 10, and squaring right side, I got k to power 2. So it means x to power 10, I will assume k to power 2. So k to power 2, and this is of k. You can see that k here and plus 3 equals to 0. So it means I got a full equation transformed to the x to k. Similarly, in this manner, we have to we need a double power, and you can see that we have a double power even in our question. How come? Concentrate. What is a half here, and what is a half double? 1, and we have 1 power. So what I will say here, let assume x to power half is equals to k. And when I'm squaring both sides, I get what? Square of the half, it give you 1 is equal to k to power 2. And when I replace there, this k to power 2 come in the place of x. So I get a k to power 2 minus 4k and plus 3 equals to 0. Factorization is a very clear. 3 ones are 3, 3k minus k and plus 3 equals to 0. K common out. I get this. Negative 1 common out. I get this. After I got k minus 3 and a k minus 1 equals to 0. I got two answers. K is equal to 3 and k is equal to 1. But do you know is not ever required answers. Both value are plugged in the top equation or even down equation. No problem at all. I can use any one equation. So I am using the one down one. So put in one by one. So if k is 3, or if k is 1, so put in 1. So I'm putting in 1, put in 1, and put in 1. So when I put in 1, both values, so 3 comes here. So 3 is going to become 9. So 9, and here x is equal to 1. So common sense, the smaller value is here at B and bigger value is C. So I can say that x coordinate of B x coordinate is actually is 1, and B and C x coordinate is 9. So this part is completely over. So 4 marks done. Now the bottom question, he said show that B is a stationary point. Stationary point, although you know derivative 0. Okay, I have two ways to do it. Show that state. So B point, I have an equation of curve 4x to power half and minus 2x. First of all, I will differentiate. And when I differentiate, you know, this half power comes down, power become 1 less, become negative half, and x derivative is 1. So I get this. Ultimately, this 2 for cancel and power half, I bring in denominator. I got 2 over root of x. After this, what is the plan of action? You know, we can confirm in two ways. What if I put derivative 0 and it's solved, and I will get the answer x is 1, because you know that at B coordinate x is 1. This is verification. Second method, if I put a 1 directly in the place of x, this answer must become 0. So this is another way. So he said show that B is a stationary point. So I can do anyway, okay? And I say that at B, put x is equals to 1. And when I put it there, 1, look at here, root of 1 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. It means hence prove that B is stationary point. Stationary point. Second method, if you don't like it, put derivative 0 and solve for x. And if you get a 1, it means prove that the b coordinate. So alhamdulillah, A and B part is over. Then I'm going for the part number C on the next page. So let's go for the C part, and C part is the next page, and next part is 6-mark question. So find a shaded area. So let's go back. And what is a shaded area? First of all, I just give a plan of action. So what is shaded area? We have this gray color. You can see how to find this shaded area. If I show you the plan of action, this is a triangle. You can see there's a straight line. For your knowledge, this is a straight line. Why, sir? Y equal to 3 minus x, power x, and y 1. Whenever the 1 is just called straight line. And when there's not a 1, this is called curve. So problem is that this is a triangle area. You can see the half into base into height. Or if you integrate the equation of line, you get the area, this reddish area. Okay, this is very, very clear. It means if you need a equation of the line from area of the line till x-axis, you will integrate this equation, or you find out the area of the triangle. For that reason, you need two things. What's a concentrate the y coordinates of C, and you have C coordinate already, okay, and you need this point, this x coordinate, and then we can find easily. How come, sir? Because at this point the line is intersecting, and when line intersect y always 0, I can plug in y 0 and I can get this coordinate. So it means the gap from here till here is x value, and gap from here is called y value. I can find the area of triangle very easy. It's one option. Second option, how to get this white area? Because if I integrate, or if I find the area of triangle, from this area of triangle, I have to subtract this white area. But how to get white area? Look at here. I show you once again, white area. It is from 4 till C. C has a 9 value. So 4 to 9, I will integrate the equation of curve. Because you know this equation of curve, look at here. I'll show you. There's a 4 and there's a 9. If I need to find this area, so I will integrate curve equation, and curve equation is this with limit 4 to 9 with a dx, and that will give us area of the curve from the curve till x-axis, and then subtract them. That's it. So let's start. So Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. How to get the this is a I'm the making a plan. So intercept of line. So put y0. When I put y0 in the place of this line, I get 0 equals to 3 minus x, and I got x is equal to 3. So it means the coordinates of this point is C comes 3. Okay. So now I need a y coordinate of C. So y coordinate of C. How I can find? So because I know that C x coordinate is 9. This 9, if I plug in the line or in the curve, I get a y coordinate of C. So how to get y coordinate of C? So I put x is equal to 9 in an equation of line. So y equal to 3 minus 9, and I'm getting -6. So -6. So it means this area, this is a negative just for direction because I'm going down. So this is 6, confirm. This side is 6. And this is gap, you know, this is 3 and this is a 9. And what is the distance between them? 6. So it means this is 6, this is 6, half into base into height. So I can say area of the triangle. Area of the triangle, I can label it, okay, anyway, this triangle is enough, is equals to half into base into height. And base is a 6 and height is a 6. And I got 18 units square. Done. So one job is over. So I got the area of the triangle, that's it. But now, game is not over. Game is not over. So I need to find out the white area. Which is white area? This from curve till x-axis. So what is technique to do it? Now I will find area under curve. Area from curve till x-axis. Till x-axis. And what is the plan of action? So you know area is equal to because what is the value of x here? 9. What is the value of a here? 4. You can see 4 here. So 4 to 9, and that's it. So 4 to 9 limit, and this area equation of curve I'm writing here for x to power half. Really so technical question is this. So many students confused what to do. Okay, what is integration of this half plus 1? You got a 3 over 2 and divide by 3 over 2 and 2x square over 2, and limit is very clear, 4 to 9. Okay, so this is a if I check it carefully, So if I check carefully, okay, so I can get it now from here. So this is two, it come 2 4s are 8/3. Okay, so 8/3 comes from here, 8/3. So 8/3, and I'm going to plug in first upper value and then lower value. So when I plug in 9 here, this 2 do cancel, and I plug in 9 here also. This is called upper, and now lower one. When I put 4 here and 4 here, so 8/9, 8/3 into 4, and minus 4 square. And I tell you one thing, his answer will come 100% negative. I tell you later what is the logic behind. So these 3 9s cancel. So I got a 3, 3 24 minus 81. So I get from here negative 57. And I get from here, if you check it here, 32 divided by 4 minus 16. So I get negative 8 from here. So ultimately, minus 57 and plus 8, it gives negative 49. But negative I will not take. Why, sir? Because area never negative, area always positive. Okay. Then after that, just a minute, please. I will just confirm and then start. Yes, student, one mistake is there. This 3/2 is power is I missed. So I missed the power 3/2. I mean to say this power I missed on the 9. So this power comes 3/2 on this part even, and this 3/2 comes on this 4 even. So this was a missing, and now I make correction. Now I make correction. Okay, so let's see what answer comes in the first part. So 8 divided by 3 into 9 to power 3 divided by 2. So it gives you 72. Done. 81 subtraction. Done. Then what is here? 8 divided by 3 into 4 to power 3 divided by 2. This comes 64/3. And minus this is a 16. So let me simplify whole thing. And what is answer coming? Let me check. 64 divided by 3 and plus 16. It gives us negative 44, 43 by 3. But you know, negative not possible. Why? Area above x-axis is a positive. Area below x is a negative. This negative coming below x. That is why I will eliminate the minus sign. That's it. So area is coming, area never negative. We can say here. So area becomes 43/3 positive. Okay. And 43/3, if you check it carefully, this answer comes 14 because area under line is 18 and area under curve is 43/3. So if I subtract them, I get my answer. So finally, I'm writing answer here at the middle of the page. So shaded area. Shaded area. S is stand for shaded area. So 18 minus 43/3, and this gives us answer 18 minus 43 divided by 3, and it's give 11/3 answer, or write in a fraction or decimal 3.67 units square, and that's our alhamdulillah. I hope so. The concept is very clear.